Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the field in an electric lawnmower. I'll begin by removing the cover from the mower so I can access its motor. Next, I'll remove the brush holder covers and the brushes. And now remove the wire harness from the motor. Now I'll tip the mower on its side and remove the blade. I'll remove the fan and the spacer. Now I'll remove the 3 bolts that secure the motor assembly to the mower's deck. Now I can disassemble the motor. Before I do, I'm going to make some reference marks to help me align it when I reassemble later. I'll remove the nuts and screws to disassemble the motor. Now I'll remove the end plates. And I'll separate the armature from the field. Now I can install the new field. I'll carefully install the armature into the field. I'll use a rag to protect my hand because the magnet will tend to pull the armature in as I insert it. Now reinstall the motor end caps. And I'll secure it with the nuts. I'll tighten the nuts slowly, working side to side to keep the tension even. I'll be careful to not over-tighten the nuts, as I don't want to crack the plastic housing. And now I'll secure the motor back to the mower deck. I'll reinstall the spacer, the fan, and the blade. And I'll tip the mower back onto its wheels. And I'll reinstall the wiring harness. I'll finish by reinstalling the cover.
Bye.